turn that off.
What? You're always telling me to drink water, so I'm drinking water.
Okay.
You are always telling me to drink more water.
Yeah, and freaking 5 years later.
You good? Does my hair look okay?
I think that was the craziest yawn of my entire life I just had. You saw that? It lasted for like 30 seconds. My mouth was just... Oh. That's what she said. Okay, sorry. You have something in your teeth.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Ethan Hughes Storm Chasing. As you can tell, I have a special guest with me today.
Hi.
You good, bro?
Yeah, sorry. You just looked at me. I don't do it. I look at you. I look at that.
This is my girlfriend Hannah, and she knows nothing of weather at all. Zero. Zip. She had the genius idea of me quizzing her on terms of weather, just to see what she would know. Maybe I'll educate you. Maybe I'll even educate her. We'll see.
I'm stress eating.
I'll grade you at the end to see if you fail or not.
Yeah, I'm stress eating.
Where'd you get a cookie?
I don't know. I'm serious.
So I'm going to ask you these terms and how you would define them. Stop looking at them. All right? I'm going to see what you think they mean.
Okay.
Okay? What is weather?
Why do I was thinking that? I was like, he's gonna say, "What is weather?" I was thinking that, and then he said it. Okay. Weather is like rain. When it rains. I don't know how to describe. How do you describe weather? It's what's outside. Some days it's sunny. Some days it's raining. And some days it's snowing. It's weather. Third grade version.
The fancy definition of weather.
The study of the sky.
Just the state of the atmosphere at ground level. Yeah, this is technically we are in the atmosphere right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're at the bottom of the troposphere. You have no idea what that is, do you?
No.
Okay, next. What is precipitation?
Raining. When it rains from the clouds. The precipitation is when it comes down from the clouds.
Okay.
Usually raining. Or sleeting or snowing, but raining usually.
Yep, pretty much.
Okay.
Thumbs up on that one.
Yay!
What is dew point?
You've mentioned this though, and it's always with a little squiggly line in the radar. You always look, you're like, that's the dew point, right? No?
No.
Ooh. Dew point is pressure? Is that pressure? No? Oh my gosh.
So dew point is the temperature at which air becomes buoyant.
Right when you said the temperature which the air, and I was like, becomes buoyant. What does buoyant mean?
It floats.
Okay.
What is humidity?
Nah, it means I don't go outside. Because my hair will be whack. Outside, and when it's really hot and sticky.
Okay.
Moisture is down below us.
You're getting somewhere with moisture.
Moisture is in the air.
There you go.
You go outside and it's just wet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dew point is relative with humidity. It's kind of the same. So if there's a high dew point, there's a high humidity. It's where you get heat index.
Forgot what dew point meant again. Sorry.
Temperature at which air becomes
Because buoyant, yes.
Okay.
Gotcha.
What is wind?
Air moving.
I mean, in its most basic term, yes.
Okay.
Do you want the fancy term?
I feel like you're going to tell me regardless, so.
Well, wind is basically just the movement of air from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know about the high pressure and low pressure. Mm-hmm.
Which ties into the next question. What is pressure?
How do you explain pressure? When I think of pressure, I think of
Yeah.
Like pushing.
So what would you think pressure would be? What kind of the
atmosphere.
It's the blank of the atmosphere.
Temperature.
No.
Metric. What does that start with?
W.
Weather.
No.
Wind. Windex.
How heavy something is.
The W?
The
Width? Weight. Ha.
Got it? Kinda.
Kinda.
Just make me feel good and say yes. What is a cloud?
Ooh, it's collection of water. Water particles up in the air.
Mm-hmm.
And then once it gets too heavy,
Mm-hmm.
it just, and that's when the rain comes. Yeah, and then
Particles.
when the ice crystals and stuff like bump each other, that's how lightning happens.
I've taught her something. Okay, so now that is kind of the basic-ish.
Those were basic ones?
Basic area.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to get more into the severe weather
Okay.
terms. So, what would you call atmosphere? Is that supposed to mean something?
The air around.
We'll stick with that.
Okay.
We'll stick with that. It's just, yeah, what's around us.
Okay.
Just
Yeah, that's right.
Just the air around us.
That's right.
What would you call a parcel?
I've never heard that word before in my entire life.
I said it earlier. Parcel has to do with air. You never heard of parcel before?
No.
Like a parcel in the mail?
No.
A package?
A package.
Synonym of parcel?
No way.
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. You
Yeah.
lying.
I'm serious.
No.
Here. Parcel is a package bearing the name and address of the recipient.
I didn't know that. So if it's a parcel, I'm assuming it's a package of something.
Yeah.
Of weather.
Package of weather.
But like,
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
A parcel is just a grouping of air of the same type. So, warm, dry air, cold, dry air, warm, moist air, cold, moist air.
Okay.
It's a grouping of the same kind of air.
Okay.
What is wind shear?
Is that the is that like on the when you talk about your radar things and then the little like the lines they're like this and you're always like look at that wind shear direction of where the wind is going. Am I getting close?
Yeah, it has to do with the wind.
Well, no. Wind shear. Sorry, that was mean. I'm sorry. I quit. Sorry.
Bruh!
Sorry.
Wind shear is, let's say, the wind in the upper atmosphere, the upper troposphere, always flows from west to east. Wind shear is when that air is moving this way in the atmosphere, and the wind at the surface is moving the opposite way. That is wind shear. Very important for the production of tornadoes.
Tornadoes. I was thinking that. Okay.
Yes, one more. Last one. Final question.
Okay.
What would you define as a mesocyclone?
It's been a great time. I'm gonna head out. I don't know.
Sit back down.
A meso who?
Mesocyclone.
Is that from a tornado? A mesocyclone is storm scale region of rotation, typically around 2 to 6 mile in diameter, within a thunderstorm. The circulation of a mesocyclone covers an area much larger than the tornado that may develop within it. So basically, it's a thunderstorm and tornado had a baby. A pregnant thunderstorm.
The tornado's the baby.
Oh.
The tornado's the baby.
Who's the dad?
The mesocyclone. No, that'd be the mother.
I thought the mesocyclone was the tornado inside the thunderstorm.
No, it's the rotation of the storm that tightens up and then
So that
forms.
is the dad.
Yeah.
That's inside the thunderstorm.
Dude.
I do.
You got most of them, sort of. Solid C minus.
Really?
Yeah.
C's get degrees. I thought I'd do a lot worse.
I think you did alright. That's not even the hard stuff yet, so.
Yeah, okay.